the purchase of our pocket hole machine, the days of having to use an electric drill with a step bit and a pocket hole jig are next to gone. The purpose of both, though, is to create a pocket hole. And the pocket hole is a great way to strengthen any butt joint. There are many uses for a pocket hole, but a common one is for a butt joint when you're attaching end grain to an edge or a face. Because end grain does not glue well, you need to reinforce it with screws in the pocket hole. Before using the pocket hole machine, be sure to read these instructions I've given to you to make sure you have the machine set up correct. Our pocket hole machine is set up to bore holes into 3/4 inch thick stock for 1 to 1 1/4 inch long screws. If you need a setup other than these settings, a different length screw or a different thickness of stock, please see me so that I can help you with the adjustments. But you also want to make sure that the adjustments are still set to these 3/4 inch thick and set for the correct length screws. Check that by along the back side of the fence right here. There's a measurement. It says 3/4 inch on either side. And then pull down the handle and ensure that the bit comes right up near the fence. It should not strike the fence, but should stop just short of it. There is one common adjustment that you'll need to make on a regular basis. Because the thickness of your stock may vary slightly, you may need to adjust the hold down clamp. You do so by sliding your board underneath. Move the clamp down until it contacts the work. Back it off 1/4 to a 1/2 turn. Then you want to lock down the jam nut. The pocket hole machine is very convenient because once my hold down clamp is set, I can simply slide my board underneath. The clamp will act on the board when I pull the handle down, drilling the hole. Once I've returned the handle to the upper position, now the board is no longer clamped, and with no adjustments I can move my board and bore another hole. In locating your holes, note that the hole will be drilled halfway between the gray lines here. So when lining up your edge, be sure that it does not fall between the two gray lines, but it should be either lined up with a gray line or further out.